I hope my screen is visible. Sap screen, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manju.
Yeah. So yesterday we discussed about release strategy, release procedure, and one more thing. You know, pricing procedure. How the price will trigger. Just for as per the document wise, we need to change the scenario. Okay. So today, I hope, and today we need to discuss about one thing is a split valuation, and one more is MRP scenario. Okay. So which are the concept we missed? That one we can look on. So I'm just going to share my screen. Right. Go to the SPRO settings and SAF reference image. So after that, come to the material management. Go to the purchasing. So purchase order, purchase requisition, that all we already did, and source and sourcing also we did, and contract, service procurement, and purchase requisition, purchase order, and RFQ, and quotation arrangement, and purchase info record. So all we already we went. So today what we can discuss, what is split valuation on one more scenario for MRP. So MRP, so majorly SAP for PP production planning they will set up, but your duty is to which plant wise to run the MRP. Na? So such case we need to map certain conditions. So that I am going to showing you. So here you can see. So in this, so coming to the purchasing is over, coming to the external service management. Here the service PO scenario is coming here. Okay, so what kind of service PO and service entry sheet. So that we can set the release strategy for service PO also. So that is a configuration. Everything is same. So you just go and do and assign the number range, everything. Okay. So service master details. If you want to define new service group, so how to define service group and service category. See here is the scenario. Same how you define material type, material category. Same thing. Okay. So if you can select this one, so new service category if it is coming, so you can copy as. You can define. So these are the standard categories. Okay. So generally, so the service for AMC or the machinery service, what kind of service is related, so that you can take a reference on. Okay. Then press enter. Select. This is a way of defining service category. What type of category is? This is a AMC service. So what type of service? This is a way of defining service category scenario. And also the number range. We already told you how we are going to deal with the number range. So it is n number of number range. In real time, we will not get this much. Okay. So based on the category wise, we need to assign. Here you can click the change group. Okay. So what is which service activity code is number? So that if so currently is coming this scenario. Okay. 3 whichever the activity number if you can create, this number is coming. Either this number is coming. Okay. So now what you can do. So if you want a new number, so if you can create, so activity code. So what's either 3000 series, 3 lakh series is coming. So currently 5 and 10 is done. So now it is if you can create new number is coming. Go for AC03 is a T code for activity code or service code creation. Okay. Hello. Hello. ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಲಾ? ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೊಲ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಏನು? ಆಯಿತು, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಗಿದೈತಿ. Then here you can go. So what type of category you selecting, based on that it is coming. Okay. Here what the category, service category is selecting, so that category wise it is coming. So if you can select visible screen, everybody.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So here you can see the AB1 is there. Okay, the base service I selected. Let's see this unit of measurement. This, if you can go here, then go back. Okay. So all and see a service. and this series is coming because of you can select this one, it is only coming. See, this all category you can select whichever the number will pick from this series only. Okay, so you can go here. So I'll just cancel this one, so I'll create one new one. Okay, yes. Okay, here you can see the basic survey, complete service, whichever does. Okay, so purchasing service, you can select number of hours. So as an AMC service for annually, then you can select what the category. Okay, then save. The activity code will be coming here. See, 3000, no, 3 lakh 511. So what is the last number digit? You can see here. So it is 510 is last digit. See, okay, this series number is picking from number, and to number is picking from this series which you selected. Okay, because n number of users are there, so they are also using and create, so it will be number will pick from this series. Okay, if you can assign new number, so you can go and select a number, select this one, go assign. So we'll select one different one, so we'll select 3. Okay, it is already in 3, no? Okay, I'll select 1. Okay, and then save. So you can click here, what the series you can see from this series activity code is picking. If you can go here, then you can go create. Same thing, it is same like this is called laptop service. Select service for purchasing. This is for AU. Okay, if you want to select division class, solution class, which all case is coming. Okay, so I'm just selecting anyone randomly, then save. See, this series number is picking. So just now I changed the number in. See, 11,000 series. The number is picking from this series. Okay, here is 11,000, 10,000, 20. Okay, so that is there. The last number 12. It is picking from that number. Okay, this is how we are going to set up the number range for service PO. Okay, then this one. So what is the service code, activity code, and one more thing I can know technical details, and this should be always, once again, so this should be always tick, then only to show all the T codes. So coming to the logistics, in that material management you can go. So we went through the purchasing, so what the purchase order, outline agreement, and the purchase acquisition. So we already did all the scenario, and after the purchasing we can go to the inventory. So what is inventory? So goods receipt, for every PO we can do the goods receipt, and material document will be generated, and reservation. So reservation means, so we can reserve the stock, so to start the production, to improve the production efficiency, so that will be creation of reservation. So I told the T codes, we can go to the which are the pendings topic scenario that we can go into discuss. Okay, so coming to the reservation, so you can take the list. So what are the T codes for reservation? So create, chain, display, and if you want to get the list of reservation, so this is MB25. You just double click and try to get the existing, and later you can see how they're mapped. Same thing, because of here reservation when doing that cost center, and it required because the finance team is involved, is which material is reserved the stock. So for that is required cost center against the reservation the product. Other we need to consume that stock to start the production. Okay, so I'm just executing. See, is it visible on my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a reservation list. So if you want the recently reservation did, so this is the no so they recently did the reservation for this. You can see how they did. Okay, so differences and all things you can see here. This is an account assignment. So this is a so integration is coming. Okay, that's the case. You can double click on that. It will show how they created. So using 261 issue the order with respect to order you can issue and which client. This is a client. Okay, then there is no location is there. And click here. So this is the order number. So, and this is a GL account. So this is required from finance team side. For which material? So that is the reason. So you're getting error. So this is a material code. If you can, you also do it. So then what the material and what the order you want to save. So that is case is coming. Okay, PF03 is the material. Go here. 60 press enter. Put the material and execute. Okay, this is because the no location is coming. So you can enter slash in MMBE. Okay, execute. Be showing which are the plants this metal is existing and which plant under this metal is stored. Also. You can see under the 1710 only under the batch. From this batch, the stock is available. Okay. Now see this is reserve. Here it is there. So if you can do add anything, so the reserve the stock here. Visible? This is the screen. Unrestricted, use quality inspection stock and reserve stock. This they will start the production. Once the production is means they will move the stock and quality check and move the once the production is completed and the stock is ready to sell, it will come to here.
Manju,
Huh?
how can you move that reserved stock to unrestricted usage?
Now once you the stock we can using movement type
In Migo,
in Migo only we can do stock transfer.
from reserved to this one.
Yeah, means this will be
Then,
no, not like that. It will be in the production they will issue the stock. This stock is reserve stock is converted into production stock that will come here when you consume during we are issuing 261 movement type.
mm,
So that will consume and it will come to here.
mm. Okay. Okay, Manju.
Okay. Then you can see here in the screen it is already shown this. Say 261 movement type. Goods issue with respect to order. For what the order wise which we issue, the stock is coming
It will be coming to unrestricted stock.
unrestricted. So when we are issuing the production, so once the production is completed and quality check and everything, the finally stock is means raw gets converted into finished product like that.
Mhm. If example, I'll tell you,
Uh,
I have finished goods in reserve stock. How can I move that
you have finished in reserve stock.
stock
Okay.
in reserve?
So but you need to take the confirmation with that means already stock is available in means physically stock is
Okay.
available that you can move.
Example, it's zero in unrestricted stock, but it's in reserve.
Okay.
I want to move that reserve stock to unrestricted usage.
Okay. Reserve stock to unrestricted. You need to move.
Usage, yeah.
How we are going to move directly
Yeah.
because that moment type because reserve stock is I think not separate for physical stock type.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it will be using MB22. You can check, and Migo we can do. We are issuing the stock with respect to sale order that will be coming.
Mm-hmm.
I need to check and complete confirming.
Okay. Thank you, Manju.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
So because of this reservation, why we so mainly deal with such a manual reservation or any kind of. So one thing is production order or the sale order, so that we can provide exact transaction steps for this reservation scenario. So
This reservation is for emergency. This one. That's it.
exactly, exactly. So because we have to, because of this is and PP and SD is also integration is coming to the stock is coming and sell that stock, and before that we can reserve the stock. It's an emergency purpose. We can maintain
Mhm.
such case is coming. So 343 movement type is coming. White reservation is coming.
Actually, this every process is belongs to yes, this one only PP only,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Reservation and this ticket it comes to PP stock, PP only.
Exactly. So they will only consume because the stock we are maintaining only for So sometimes the PP also maintain the stock, and we need to, because of emergency.
Yeah, this is for tools. Any this one for consumables we maintain this.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'm just we are running one scenario. Let's see. Here I'm just going to the process whether it is picking. So using MB21 is a MB21 is the T code for reservation. This the movement type is 261, and the plant name is the taken is 1710. I'm just showing you how their creation. If there is any error will come with the account assignment with the cost center, it is going to be finance team scenario. Okay. So here it is asking the which material you are going to issue. So that you can mention. So the same material I will select. Okay. So you need to mention the order. So which order wise you are going to issue. Okay. According to the cost center wise, it is coming order and number of order. So for that you can see that order you need to create before that. Here I am just seeing this order wise I'm just issuing one stock. I'm just showing you how we are going to create a post. Okay, I'm just putting one stock. So it is batch is required. Manual reservation for the order quantity is not allowed. Okay. So once you're okay, and you can save this, and this is the final step. But this the order is manually it is not taking, because once the order is created then only it is coming. See this production planning, the production order is converted, then batch with respect to inspection slot is done, then only the stock is we are going to issue. Okay. Visible screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. CO01.
So you can create that plan that we can. This is not relevant to you, just for us showing. Okay, here the order is coming. That order is going to be in one. Okay, for the production order. It require inspection slot, production version. This I think Chandrasekhar sir, you are
This
working on the
is
same process, correct?
yeah. I work on all the process right now.
Yes. So this will become for your case. So
This is a production plan. This one actually
SAP for PP
without
scenario.
schedule
Pro-
without schedule agreement.
yes,
That's it.
yes, yes. Without scheduling agreement. So production process. So such case, just know the knowledge on that reservation. Sometime it will come for your case also. So where we went for the inventory reservation scenario, you can see. Yeah. See here the account has unmeant all this and how many stock, and here you can identify which are the movement type. So they are you are issuing only for this case. Okay.
And also, this is very important for a company to maintain a reservation stock.
Yes, yes, yes.
If they required only, we can. If they require this, otherwise and unless not, it will be not useful.
Yeah, yeah.
I think so.
Because manufacturing industry is compulsory is required, because they will make a plan before that it will be impacted manufacturing. They will
Hmm.
talking. So obviously the manufacturing industry they're using construction, real estate they will not reserve. So that because of the
Mm-hmm.
building materials and civil materials and electrical materials, such case it will be
You
there.
know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
No. Thank you, Manju.
yeah. Thank you. And 201. See there are two movement type is coming, 261 and 201. So once again.
See, if you come down, then a production planning also
Mm.
9,009 series. Come down some more.
Yeah, huh? 2001.
No, no, no. Some more.
Mm.
Yeah, this 96 something is there.
Yes. So this case it will maybe. So this is the material. I'll just check it for this case. See the stock is available and result
Yeah,
quality
it's
stock.
in quality also.
Quality stock. So this you know, na, undershaded to quality to block.
Yeah, that I do normally.
Yeah. So and then what about Darshan and Kunal, you know, na, how to move the stock from undershaded quality to block. Just I'm showing you. Wait. It is recorded. You can go ahead. One second, server is lost. One second. I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Screen
Okay.
is gone, Manju.
Yeah, server is down.
Okay.
Is it visible my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So you Kunal and Darshan, you know na how to move the stock from undershaded to quality to block.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
think
Got it.
Kunal no Darshan you are not there that class. I'm just showing you one sample example. Okay, go to the Migo screen, press enter. So here, so select transfer posting. Okay, just putting this material and this client. So 01 and 1A also stock is available. Okay, one okay it's from this side is not there. So okay, 250, 445. Okay, I'm just selecting same thing.
Just copy that and paste it, Manju.
Yeah. This is the material and quantity and just mention where. So the transfer posting here 321. You can see enter
This is
here.
plant to plant.
Yeah,
This is
this
plant
is
to plant.
yeah this is called. Okay, here you can change the movement type. 321 and 322 is coming like that. Okay, so I'm unable to change this one, so now I change. See, here you can see the transfer posting from unrestricted to quality. Then stock is moving from unrestricted to quality, and so now I will show you one thing, so you can see. Check. And before that, you can see here how much stock is available. You can take a remember. So from where it is moving, unrestricted to quality, either quality to unrestricted. So transfer posting. Okay. So now what I will do, post. It has been posted. Display and press enter. So you can click FI documents. There's no FI documents whenever you're transferring the stock from one place to, so such case, and then you can see the MMBE. So one stock so where it is moved. Is it visible, everybody? So here from unrestricted to
Two. It has
quality.
come 251.
Yes,
Yeah.
from quality to unrestricted it is coming one. Okay, it is both the side 250 250 is there. If you want to see, you can right click on that, click on the material movements. So recently we received one stock, so that will be showing you. See, okay, recently we received one material, and just cancel it and click here and right click on that. One material is went. Click on material movement. See, when material is lost, it is move. Okay, so same thing, you can go the same screen. Darshan, is it visible, Darshan, to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, how we are going to move the material movement? This is the way, material movement. So now if you can put 322, put the material under which same everything, then what the stock, same quantity. So check here. So you can, before posting here, you need to check in this screen whether it is turned or not. So recently from our quality to unrestricted stock is coming. Now from transfer posting from unrestricted to it is coming quality. Okay, check and post. It has been posted, and see here, display, the center, double click it. So both the side 250 it is showing now. See, 250 250. Got it? Same like movement type is there, 321 322 341 and 342 and 349 and 350. These are the three remaining unrestricted to quality, quality to block. These things you have to work out. Okay, Darshan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how to move the stock from unrestricted to quality, quality to block. So that is the main when you deploy in the project location. So, so sometimes suddenly there is a support projects, they're saying for this the stock moving from one this place to this place. Such case you need to do it. Okay, so we can check the stock existing, how much available and all this. All right, now let's move on to the next concept, which are the business process. So one is MRP and quick valuation. And Sandar sir, you have to go with the pricing procedure. In last class I recorded, I said it. Okay, so you just go ahead. For list procedure is
Okay,
not
okay, Manj.
recorded, and I shared you. You just check it.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is the code for pricing precision?
There is no T code. Directly you can go here. SPRO settings and go to the conditions. Visible my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
So after that, go to the
Sir.
business partner. to the material management. So after that, purchasing, and this is the condition. Here you can go and do it how I did same thing. Just for reference, how to map when we move on to the real time. So they will give which are the condition type and axis sequence. Any discount such case they're giving, according to that we can set up. Okay. Hello.
Okay, Manju. Okay, okay. I got it,
Yes,
Manju.
sir. Got it.
Okay. So now what we can do? So one more scenario for the case release procedure, pricing
That
procedure.
is like JIOG.
Yeah,
This tax pattern we should give here only. Yeah,
yeah. No, the tax is coming with that GST and tax they will give. Here you can
finance.
maintain
Okay.
the back end. Any percentage vendor is giving. Suppose you purchase 100 quantity, vendor is giving.
Yeah, what is the percentage of this
Yes,
one? Okay, understood, Manju. Understood.
yeah, he is giving you if you purchase bulk quantity, he will giving 2% discount, or else you can manually
Yeah,
also
yeah, yeah.
enter by default. You want to pick from the here also, you can add
But
it the
then
pick.
also we should set here only. Then only it will pull.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will not pull.
yes,
Yes.
yes. That is also we can map it here. So this coming to
Okay.
this one more and report, and already report on gap functional activity. So SFD,
Yeah, I do that. I do that. Normally, I do that. Okay.
yeah, normally the mass maintenance and table name and
ME
field name.
51 N.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. MM60 and MKVZ, same like the different
Yeah.
table name and
MB5C,
yes,
MB.
MB5B,
Okay.
MB25, just know at least
Yeah.
reports. If you want to hear, will one T code will get it. I'm just showing. Wait, in this screen maybe S4 HANA it is coming in this screen. SAP1 you can enter, so it will come all the reports. Go to the material management. So now we want which kind of report you want. So according to that, I want the purchasing report. So for that you can go. So if you want the source list report, list of purchase requisition, code harment report. So I just go on to the one by one. See here you can see the reports. So list of requisition reports. Just get it and you can execute. You will get a list like that. Report there. So then go here.
Exported to Excel sheet. Okay.
Yeah. However, sometimes Excel, like HTML and Excel. See here, so most of the people will go with the spreadsheet. So few of the company will go. This will in fact, however you want the company is going at, you can go ahead. Okay, so you can mention like this is a list of PRs, list of PR list as of now up to PR list how much it is done. So we can download the report. For this year, you will get it how many PR is done and which are the PO you need to do. So that list will be come to you. Okay, Darshan and Kunal. So this is the way you have to download the reports. Sometimes they are asking the reports. Okay, stock report. So the later you can this you Excel you can make it as per however you want. So make it a V lookup, H lookup, on pivot table, so that all you can do it. Okay.
Oh,
So this is the
yes,
report.
sir.
This is the report you will get it. So this is the old version. The Excel sheet, it's not updated for me. So you just go in updated version Microsoft, it will come. Okay. This is how we are going to download the reports. So you will get it SAP one, enter one T code, you will get all the reports like this.
This SAP one is only in this one,
Yes for HANA.
Ahana,
HANA only.
and not in 7C. 7C.
Yeah, yeah, ECC and 7C. You can check it, sir. I also forget. You can check it once again. If it is working fine, it is good. So, or else you can try like this SAP 1. Okay. So now we can move on to the MRP process. This MRP is mainly deal with material requirement planning. So here sometimes different MRP as the SAP standard is there, we just give our as however want you. Okay, this is the big chapter. So and along with SAP MMPP is integrated with the process. So MRP sometimes they're asking material requirement planning. What do you mean by MRP? What is the MRP types? The interview question is coming this two case. Most of that MRP types. There only one question is coming. So in depth is going for your business process. Okay, so now I'm going to showing you how to do the MRP process. Okay, so for
In
coming
7 also it's working, Manju.
working, okay, fine.
Yeah, SAP one is working.
Okay, nice. So I think previously you don't know this T code. I recently
No, no, SAP one I did not use. This is the first time I'm using.
okay. Then you will get all the reports, whichever the report you want.
I used to keep all the codes in the mind. Now it was confusing me a lot.
Got
Okay.
it, got it. Because you are running, so you are working like SAP MM and PP support role, but being a procurement role
PPF
and
sales and sales also.
sales also. I mean, you coming, your duty will start with the
Invoicing,
purchasing and
part also.
got it. Start with the production and keep the ready stock, and again you have to sales. You are doing end to end.
Yeah, yeah.
Then if you can do the warehouse, you will be complete process also. The warehouse activity
Hmm.
that I will tell you in
Okay,
upcoming.
okay.
Fine.
But back integration, I don't know so much.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the backend configuration required
Okay.
for business because see one person cannot able to go with the FICO, MM, SD. It is very difficult because of the integration and the FICO and the entire model. One model is difficult because the enhancement is coming, cutover activity is coming, gap analysis is coming, bulk quantity we need to upload.
Okay.
So every process is one person is doing in IT industry. So
See, now they will develop a new this one like there is open POs and PR will be open. No,
mm-hmm.
they integrated that also in our system like Z close PR, Z close
that
PO.
is customer T
All
code.
the old,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's all the old POs and PRs. What are all open, it will be closed fully.
Okay. Any
Previous and all.
okay, any like instead of SAP along with any software, other software they're using in your company?
They're using with this one for quality they use.
Okay, okay. So most of the company what they will do, so some of the companies will do the creation and everything, the mapping everything in one software like builds.
Yeah, we have mapped GST portal also like
Okay,
this one what e-way bill everything has been mapped with from government website we have mapped it
okay, nice.
automatically for IRN generation everything is mapped in the SAP itself.
Okay, nice, nice sir. And fine.
Not going to the this one only the printout we should go for e-way bill.
Okay.
The e-way bill will be generated automatically in SAP itself.
Mm-hmm.
We are linked that e-way bill this one with invoicing part.
Okay, okay, great.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, and coming to the theoretical concept for MRP, I think you are aware about. And Darshan, do you know Darshan and Kunal? MRP is a requirement planning. So, it is a material requirement planning on a stock or particular. So, you can generate the procurement proposals. So, for that purchasing,
Manju, I think Kunal and Darshan needs that MRP mapping also
uh,
because they when they are in they should know that mapping.
correct. That's why I will go with this MRP in separate. Lastly, I took this because it required more. If it is a production industry, if it is anything is there, so we can push him. So now, in real time in construction and another industry it is not coming. So this it is required in manufacturing, biochemical, pharmaceutical. Yeah, fine. We can discuss the MRP. So MRP is mainly deals with means when we can see the material requirement planning in a monitor how much stock is required and automatically generate the procurement proposals. So I need the procurement proposals is coming, we need to generate either we want to start the production so that we can achieve using this MRP methods. So simple, the MRP is highly versatile and we can plan for to generate the procurement, what is required, how to fulfill the requirement for demand. So we can say like a demand for to help the procurement. Simply, we need to help the demand for the procurement. For that, we need to help the procurement and production planners to optimize the business process. That is most useful for this MRP cases. Okay, so that is only the theoretical concept. And coming to this, the overview of MRP. So because material forecast, so to make the stock is ready and as per the required advance. So one is a planning is coming, and we have a production and make a plan, and capacity requirement planning and costing, and inside of that the sales distribution, demand programming, and procurement proposals. Such all case is coming. Okay, so generally it will run with the production preparation, start the production, after they issue the goods, and we can do the goods receipt and order settlement, and finally it will come with the requisition, then purchase order and goods receipt and invoice. This all these things is happening, and we need to create the sale order also. Okay, once the stock is ready, that is generally in day-to-day manufacturing industry is going the process. Planning, and then production, and stock is ready, and you can sell the stock. Okay, so that is the only theoretical I have much idea on that. And coming to uh, Chandrasekhar sir, do you have any additional you can have, please? You have words anything about for this remaining optimization? And in coming to S for HANA, it is defaultly activated. Okay, for both
But
classic.
only see there is a difference between HANA and this. Only in this case that BP only it has changed.
Yes.
Apart from that, everything is the same.
Yes, yes. So for both MRP Classic and MRP Live in S for HANA, it is activated by default. Okay, so no need to
Yeah,
worry
that
about.
BP only business partners is applicable in HANA,
Yes,
because I used to create everything in for customer. I used to go for XT X XKD XD01, and for customer creation, and vendor creation I used to go for XK01.
yes,
Customer is was XD, and this for vendors or suppliers it was XK.
yeah.
I was creating that.
Okay.
Now everything came in only one slide. That's it.
Yes, in one screen we can do all things. So
Yeah,
now,
one skin we can do everything.
yeah. So now I'm just what I will do. So the MRP configuration I'm just going to showing you. Sometime because my colleague is working, so I know some direct T codes. So that's why I'm just sharing, and parallelly, yeah, 1 second it is loading. So I think OMDU. Do you know this T codes? OMDU, sir. OM something T code is coming up for MRP activation. OMDU. Or else you can go to the SPRO logistics and production, and we can activate. Okay, I'm just entering. I forget just checking. Yes. So the for that activation of MRP case visible, sir. Darshan, Kunal.
Yeah, it's visible
Yeah.
there.
So now we'll move on to the MRP configuration. Theoretical concept you understand, Darshan and Kunal. So what do you mean by MRP? To procurement proposals and production, so demand to fulfill with the help of MRP we can fulfill the demands. So that's the use of MRP. Apart from that, any query you can have, Kunal and Darshan.
No, sir. Nothing.
Yeah. So it requires
Sir.
some time. Don't worry. So first you can go to the recording, and also you can ask Chandrasekhar Sarji. Also he will help you on this for coming to the production related queries. Okay, fine. So this you can go here, and the first step activation of MRP is OMDW. So so you can go to the material requirement planning. See here you can see. So this is the variant program they will do backend. If you can select it, you can activate it will come like this. Okay. So I'm not touching anything, so because there are so many users are doing. If I touch, it will gone. So now I'm just going to, because you require your plant. Okay. So that plant you can go to the backend configuration. After that you can go to the material management. In that material management, so go to the consumption based planning is there. No? That side it is there. Now I'll move to the SPRO settings. Sub reference image, then go to the material management. See here it is a consumption based CBP method. Okay, so this is the only thing you have to do it. But here sometimes, so here I'm showing you particularly for so being in SAP MM, which are the things you are going to touch. One is plant parameters, because whatever the plant is there, no, that you can set up. Okay, click here and execute the clock symbol. See here it is coming. Okay, so is it visible screen everybody? SAP screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can if you can maintain means already existing, so you can maintain which plant wise you want. Okay. So this is a plant year, na? Yeah, TI. So you can click here. It is showing what done MRP. If you run the MRP, which are the cases coming, you can see the back end. You can enter your plant, which number you want to set, you want to change. So entire thing in this screen you can do it. Okay, if you can create new one MRP, you can click the create and maintain all these things. Okay, and now I'm going to show you number range, the plan headers. I told you plan header, production header, and the purchase order and sale order. Okay, so generally work with the production order and purchase order and sale orders, and making a plan for in specifically for the core production industries. Okay, so here I'm just going to showing so how we can going to create and what are the things we need to change, that all you can see here. Okay, so here, so one thing, the number range is the first scenario, so I'll just move on to the number range for which are the case wise you want to set the number range. So I'm generally I'll go with purchase requisition, MRP list, and whichever you want. So in scope for SAP PP, they will do it on this case. Okay, I'm just showing you how the which client wise the requisition if there is. So this is the case how it is coming. So this is a client and this is the requisition number range. If you double click here on, so you see from this 700 7001 to from this series the number range is coming. Okay, if you want to change also you can change here number range. So now I want this range, and you can save. This is the number range assignment. Okay, so coming to that, this is one part, and MRP control. Let's move on to the next. Same thing, you can go and go back one more step. So now this environment you can set up inside all the scenarios coming. Now I'll come to this master data scenario. So what I will go for the controller. So what is a controller? So is a person Chandrasekhar, so in your company is any machine or operator, and who is the controller for MRP controller name, how will they given?
A person. We
Exactly.
just give a person and we do that.
Exactly. So same like, so you can select. So the person is a controller of the particular department. So you can give. I'm just giving give Darshan. Okay, I just give a name. Chandrasekhar sir. So here you can name, address, and telephone number, and you just maintain. And initially I'm just maintaining the place, and this you can save. So you can give a name like this, Mrp controller. Then save. Then continue. That's it. Okay, so I'm just showing for individual one by one. So on the master data, one is number and scenario. So now I'll move on to the plan address, so the availability, stock. Same like you can do when you, so when you are in the the deploy the project location. So according to that, so you need to sit with the SAP PP, so you can show and existing number, and before that you can connect with the people, so how they want, according to that you can sign up the document, then only we can do all these things. Okay, the plan adder scenario. So here what kind of a plan adder you can see in that conversion for plan adder, the requisition into the plan adder. So which number orders it is going to be, then you can click here, you can see how many the plan adders did, and then go back, go to the this one external procurement. Here you can see so how many days, processing days for start the production, anything. Okay, so that's all about scenario. And then you can put it, so material delivering is 2 days and GR processing is 1 days, and all it is including overall 4 days. And if you want to add any group you can add it also. Okay, so you can change the new group also, you can add it, and you can save. Okay, this is a only the plant configuration. Okay, the first step is we can do the plant configuration for MRP, and rest of things I will not touch. Go back. So after that, go for MRP group. So how to define MRP group? So you will get a mail, and in Excel sheet they will attach these are the MRP group I want to add for this material type. So according to that you can add it. So if you want the flow of process, you can go like this. How, first I SAP implementation guide I went. After that, material management, and then modulo, and I came here. The last 4 digits you can see OMI8 is the plant parameter for MRP you can set up. And coming to the next MRP, OPPZ is the, and OM 4 digit OMIG is a, maintain the MRP type for. So group, so what do you mean by MRP group, and at which plant the group of, you know so can go and maintain a new group. If you want to add such all case, you can do it. Okay, in that it is coming, I think, one is a procurement, and any planning run, safety stock, and creation indicator, such case is coming in this scenario. Okay, it's carry out, and you just maintain, just enter your plant and click on maintain. See here, you can check MRP group. These are the MRP group available. Okay, see, please create an MRP group first, then only we can assign here. So I'm not defined, though we are just maintaining, I'm just showing for example. Okay, so these are the existing one. You can see existing how they're maintain everything. You can check scheduling document how they're set up. Okay, and you can check whichever element. And go back. If you want to create, you can click here. So you are going to create a new group. MRP group. Okay, create. So it has been maintained. Okay, you can check whether you maintained or not new MRP group. You can check here, it is showing now. See, MRP group Darshan Kunal Chandrasekhar. Okay, if you want to change anything, so you can go and do it. This is how we are going to do the MRP group. Okay, and scheduling document type and all things you can do it. It is not for your completely, because the planning run it is going to the production department. That's why I'm not running. I will not touch anything. Just go back. This much you know the knowledge on this MRP scenario. Okay, MRP one is MRP activation. So one is MRP activation, one is a plant parameters of configuration, and one is MRP group configuration, and then planning. So that is going to be only that one. So I will just show you, because previously I used to run, so that's why I'm just showing you. So here you can see which are the material type and which plant. These are currently the MRP type, the material type, along with this, the which plant wise it is running, it is showing you. You can enter your plant. So nothing is there. So here it is there, your plant and MRP group. Okay, so now we can go to SPRO and then planning and define scope for planning for total. So I think consumption based planning, then click here. Yes, Is it visible now? Screen. The planning. Click the planning and define scope of total planning. Just execute. So is it visible? Everybody, screen is visible, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is most important case to run the MRP because the particular group are all, that MRP, so together with the plant, so we can go to the prod. Okay. So, and that here you can see which plant wise and which are the plant and what the sequence wise MRP, and then you can see, and one more case, uh, consumption base, and I think we can go to the production in the planning only. It is coming for the production planning, so that you can demand planning and demand management, such case is coming. Okay, so based on the demand management we can do the production planning. And I think once again I'm just checking. Go to the SPRO, reference image. Here you can see the production. Okay, this is visible production planning. So here it is demand management and master production scheduling. Okay, MRP requirement here is also coming for SAP for PP. So this sales and operation planning and the production planning, what master data scheduling, and in the demand planning, which are the things is coming. You can see, means when you move on to the planning scenario in SAP MM, so that will asking, so required for the demand management, and which we can activate, define, which are the plant wise we need to activate. Such case you can map it here also, which are the plants is required, so demand wise. Okay, for example, you run the MRP, so like which plant wise you want to run, so such case you can map it here. So previously we went for metal management, in that planning we went na, say BP consumption based method. So here planning, here we went. So if you want to define scope of planning, planning, define scope of planning, you can execute. Yeah, I think it opened 2 times, that's why. See here already open, this is one, that's why it is not showing. If you want to define new one, you can take a copy as, define which plant you want to define planning plan. Okay, so it will copy from the existing. How to define planning for the plant, which plant wise you want to define, you can define and save. Okay, you can check if there are any sequences added. See which plant wise. You can go for inventory. So however you want, you can add which are the plant and which are the things you want. As it is already added, no need to do anything. Okay, go back. See here the planning plant, which are the plant wise, you can add it here. You can go for new entry and add 10, 20, 30, 40. So how many plants you can add it here. Here it is coming. Okay, so it will shows what the different effective on MRP elements. Okay, so the master data and MRP waves. So what are the things we need to go ahead for the master data and MRP waves in SAP system? So what are the different MRP types? So that concept is also important. And lot sizing procedure and safety stock and reorder point, I think procurement types in MRP and relevant documents. These are all the important for MRP elements. Okay. Now let's move on to the next scenario concept for MRP, maintaining the material master for MRP using MM01. So that will show you how we are going to maintain. Okay. So now I'm just going to create on material. We'll get a clarity on that. Go for MM01. Select and whatever material type. Is it visible on my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Go to the OMS2 and find out your material type. This is a very big topic. I need remaining 3 classes for MRP. Okay, today I will do maximum which are the concept. This is a standard wala. Here you can see the MRP. If you maintain for this material type, then only it will taking, otherwise it will not taking. Okay, which material type we are selecting is the same material type. We can check the field selection. The MRP selection is there in the user department, it is selected or not, then only it is working. MOHR. Is it visible? This is your material type. Just no idea.
Yes.
see here, visible screen everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So we
Manju.
need to maintain the MRP views. Okay, that's why it is showing like that, which are the MRP views. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the plant general data and production planning, that is also we need. So let's see, this is for MRP plant, just consider, and what is the new increment.
KG.
8.
Select any one group, press enter. The basic data too, I'm not writing anything. So purchasing, I've written the purchase group, press enter. So that I'll go to the MRP1. Yeah, is it visible my screen?
So purchasing group is ART, I think. ART1.
We already invented na purchase group. We can select anyone, no problem. Purchasing.
Okay.
Now the MRP controller. So we define MRP controller. Do you know what is the MRP controller we define? See, is it there? That's straight to Kunal and Chandrasekhar. So how the MRP
Yeah.
controller is speaking, this is the reason. So we have to use in the Metal Master creation. So this MRP all 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So that will be reflecting. Whatever you done the configuration, that should be reflecting in the screen. So it is always going the PP also, but some of the most of the scenario for some basic scenario for yours. Okay, like controller, MRP type, defining new MRP type, controller, such all things. Okay, so planning, no planning, and time planning, these are the MRP types. Okay, just select any, center, lot sizing, press enter, see which plant, press enter, MRP join, go to the MRP2, you can see MRP1 and MRP2 special packing. So how many days for in-house taking 1 day, production taking 1 day, and planning taking 1 day. So totally, and safety stock, we want to maintain safety stock, and then stock for safety stock, like that. So plant delivery is required 1 days, and this is the procurement type will come with the 3 level. One is in-house production, one is external procurement, one is both. However you want, you can go ahead. Okay, and then press enter. Go to that MRP3. Yes, in MRP3, the strategic group you can select. So it is kind of, the make to stock or make to order, what kind of the group.
Manju, screen is not.
Not visible. What about Kunal?
Visible, sir. Visible.
Visible for me.
Visible for me as well.
Sir, what happened to you?
It's not visible for me. Suddenly.
Just join once again, sir. Just I'm creation of material and maintaining for
This one.
MRP.
Yeah, no, that's not this one. Okay, no problem for me. You teach them.
Okay. So it will take for the 3 days total time, and already check. You can check how many days already checking. So daily requirement or weekly, monthly, however you want. So that you can. So for the metal master creation, we have to maintain this MRP3 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the main scenario for you, because n number of, if it is a production industry, so obviously they will mention clearly in the Excel sheet. So sometimes the production version also we can select. In this case we are not set up any production version. This PP will tell you this is the version. It is looks like the the what the plant you define, same thing, and we can select that KDS. Okay, the MRP3 and MRP4. Okay, then move on to the next screen. This plant. Okay, and which plant and which location. So this is a plant and this is a location. This MRP material we are going to creation. The center. So coming to the valuation class, the center, give anyone price, and save. That's it. Visible my screen, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So copy that material, MRP material. Now we can check. So we can run the MRP MD01, MD02. So what do you mean by MD02? to run the MRP in a single item. Okay, this is a plant, and once I think this is not your plant to ARTI1, no? That the plant MRP area is selected. So we set up. Let's see. Okay, it is run MRP. This is the way of running of MRP. You can see the MRP area, plant, planning, scheduling. Okay, plan adder. So here it is run the MRP. You can
Go
see.
for 4.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, Manju.
Yeah. So tell me. I think you were saying something.
MD04 next.
Yes, MD04 slash n MD04. You can enter. So this is a material, and you can check how many, the requirement, all this it is showing. So safety stock I maintain 10 stock, it is showing like this, and this is a plan order. So after that we can convert the purchase execution production order. The plan order gets into production order, and then it will start with the scenario. See what the material type I defines, MOHR. This is the material type, and this is MRP type. These are the MRP different types. Okay, these are the MRP different types: forecasting, replacement, and no planning. If you have planning, automatic plan, you know no planning, automatic re-added point planning. These are the seasonal MRP, forecast based planning. So these are all some of the customized, and only 4 to 6 and manual order, automatic re-order, and V1, V2, VB. This is a regular standard one. Okay, so is it visible stock? 10 stock is available. If we can
Yes,
use
sir.
this, if we can use this one material and create PR, it is showing like this. If we can go ME 51N, I'm just going, you can create that side also. I'm just showing how the system is reflect. Okay, so put it the material quantity and press enter, and which plant, and the quantity I enter under quantity. Now we can see how the requisition is coming in the same screen. Okay, so you can save. So what the PR number? 181. So you can go here, you can refresh, the PR line item will be generated here. See, under stock I want, visible guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use this PR, you can do the PO. So that will be convert to PO. So you can select here, you can convert the PO also, purchase order. Okay, so it will coming. So the miss purchase requisition is converted to purchase order, and what that you can select, and after that you can adapt. Okay, so then once again, and after that you can put vendors. So 131151, press enter, you can enter the price, check with the invest tab, GR base, check. Okay, it's a warning, then save. Then PO is done. See 6 times of 0 62. Then PR gets converted to PO. You can just refresh. See the PO number is coming. Okay, once you do the goods receipt, the stock is available here, it will become same like the plan order. After the production order, then goods issue and goods receipt, then stock is coming here. Okay, Darshan, Kunal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now let's do
Darshan Kunal, this is purely a production planning only. For MM For MRP, what they use, why they use MRP is showing. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
You should know this also.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Then we can.
While creating material master in
Uh-huh.
uh, in manufacturing industries, they knew the MRP is an important thing in MM01 in creating a material master.
Okay.
For
Okay.
that reason, is showing everything.
Fine, sir. Okay.
I told Manju to show this everything.
Yes. So because of Chandrasekhar sir, in their company only, I learned these things. You know how we are using. It's a very good opportunity, and we can see last video we can do. Yes. So
This is also very important when you complete a this one material master series. Production also is important, linked with material master. Okay.
exactly, exactly. So
Right.
no need to. This is enough, and then after that is a production order. Then the stock is coming. If you can maintain the GR, because that I selected the PU with the store location instead of storage bin. That's why it is asking bin number for me. So unable to force a GR. Okay, up to this much of you should know. In the next class, I will go to one more concept, so we'll get a clarity on that. Okay. So enough. I hope this much. And next class, I have some other configuration for MRP. Remaining 2-3 classes are required. So for complete MRP and MRP types, which are the MRP
Okay.
types
Okay.
is coming. MRP terms. So material creation, how we are going to maintain. These are the things. Okay. So any doubt you have, please let me know. Kunal, Darshan ji.
Okay, sir. Like, and we start working, we'll get to know.
Yeah. Still one more tab is there. There's a forecasting tab. Okay, and lot sizing procedure. So that is also I take it by manually. So you can in the backend, so parameters, so the safety stock, how till 10 is coming, because in the packaging, so everything is there. You can go and maintain procurement types. Okay, so what is the procurement type? There is F and E if we selected, no, the requisition, how, so that is also coming in the backend, whichever you want. So mainly MRP working procedure with the based on MRP base. So the plant delivery time pacing, which are the MRP type. Okay. So here is only in this screen you can see the stock, one is safety stock, one is plan header, one requisition, and indenter number. Okay, and goods issuing, everything it will be reflected in the production industry also. Okay, that's all about MRP scenario. So rest of thing I will go on to the next class for remaining concept about how MRP. If I go continue, it will be lengthy video for you. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Manju.
Yeah.
Thank you.